Well, I'm in charge of all the food and beverage, so I work with our vendors locating where we can get the best quality of items.
So yeah, Brian runs the farm stand. He's in charge of everything here, and he usually gets all the orders and stuff ready for me to come swing by and pick up. So I should have probably called you and not Ian to tell him that we were coming over.
Yeah.
When we can go to a table and serve them, our guests, their breakfast, and they have that opportunity that we can tell them, hey, this was baked right down the road, and the farmers picked this morning, and this is what we decided to make with the vegetables that they told us that were the best from the farm this morning. And the fact that they have that opportunity to take a drive up the road or take a walk and see where their vegetables were grown this morning and ended up on their plate.
Thank you.
Stay dry.
Yes, you too. Stay warm.
We're trying.